What if I told you some sports fans are getting paid $20 to $70 an hour just to watch soccer and basketball? Not betting, not streaming, not coaching. They are watching games and helping train AI. This is a different category of remote work. Some of the opportunities are paying up to $340 per hour. But here's the catch. If you approach it like any other online hustle, chances of getting selected might be low. So in this video, I will break down what this platform is about, who it's really for, why beginners are getting accepted, and the exact mistake that gets most people rejected. Let's be honest, you are not lazy. You are just tired of low-paying freelance gigs, competing with 500 other applicants, AI opportunity videos that lead to nowhere. But here's what most people don't realize. There's a massive difference between trying to make money online and getting paid to train AI systems. The platform is Mercor. It was founded in 2023. Instead of chasing jobs, you build your profile once, go through an AI screening, and companies match you with opportunities. No bidding wars, no gig listings, no endless proposals. Companies are using human expertise to improve AI systems, and they are paying well for it. Typical roles range from $60 an hour, $100 an hour, and $150 an hour. Specialized medical roles have reached up to $340 per hour. But what makes this platform unique? It's not just coders. They have hired different roles across the board, such as customer support, graphic designers, finance professionals, software engineers, doctors, data analysts. And here's where it gets interesting. They have hired soccer fans to review gameplay analysis and basketball fans to evaluate AI commentary in real time. So you don't need to be technical. Sometimes your passion can be your expertise. This is not passive income. This is structured, remote contract work. You position yourself once and unlock multiple potential roles. The people who win here are not hustlers. They are specialists. If you are serious, here's how to approach it. Step 1. Create your account. Use the link in the description below. Click Sign In. Enter your email address and sign up. Once verified, you can access your dashboard. Step 2. Set up your profile. This is where most people fail, so pay attention. Click Profile, but don't just upload your resume. Frame your experience around problem solving, decision making, and domain knowledge. For example, don't just say, "I was a marketing manager." Share more details like, "I led a campaign strategy that increased conversion rates by 27% across B2B clients." Step 3. Apply for roles. Once your profile is completed, click the Explore icon. Browse through the available roles, click on jobs that match your skills, and follow the instructions to apply. Here are some quick tips for the AI interview. Use Chrome on a desktop. Be in a quiet environment, and make sure you have a stable internet. During the interview, speak clearly and directly. Avoid long pauses. Silence can trigger the AI to move on. Most interviews take around 20 minutes. You can retake it up to 3 times. Let's talk about the payments. They are processed through Stripe or Wise. Payouts are made on a weekly basis. Here is an overview of the pros and cons. The pros are high hourly rates, remote and flexible. One strong profile equals multiple opportunities, passion-based roles. The cons are not everyone gets accepted, work not guaranteed, roles open and close fast, income may not be consistent. If remote AI income aligns with your goals, click the link in the description below. Create your profile today. Finish onboarding while it's still available. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more videos on AI platforms and income opportunities. Take care and see you in the next one.